So there's a lot of complex geometry here. The arcade and this wall of the building being at an angle to that facade with the large overhang. And where those two forms intersect, there's this glass structure at the pivot point. And then this building to my left is also oblique to those other two structures. So there's a lot of complex geometry. I'm going to start off with the arcade and work up from there and then establish this building. The arcade is difficult because of the steel structure. The framework has a lot of detail, but that's a pretty regular structure. Just main thing is getting the column spacing correct. Okay, in this scene, I want to encompass this view from that tree, far tree on the left, to this column of the arcade. There's a lot of different geometries operating in this view, and we have this long arcade parallel with this walkway. Then that entrance to the building goes off at a slight angle, and where it goes off at a slight angle, we have this glass structure here as a pivot point, and then we have this building on the left, which is at another geometry. So we have multiple vanishing points. I'm going to start with this arcade, the plane of this arcade first, and then off of that, once I have the column spacing, then I'll work the rest of the drawing in. That left end of the arcade, if I look at the total width of the drawing, is about more to the left of center. I'm going to start with that edge. I'm going to establish where my horizon line is relative to that column height, which is there. And I have to gauge the slope of that arcade. Since it's going away from me to the left, the top edge has to be going down toward the horizon line to the left. And the line of columns must be going up toward the left.